Okay, so till now we have learned or we have done problems on simple fractions. What are simple fractions? Simple fractions are so till now we did simple fractions, right? What are those? Those are one in which the numerator and denominator are both whole numbers, like 5 by 7 or 2 by 9. So both the numerators and the denominators are whole numbers. Now we move on to learn what are complex fractions. Right? What are complex fractions? Those are the one in which the numerator or the denominator or both are not whole numbers. Let me show you an example. Say in the numerator I have 2 by 3 and in the denominator I have 5. So I can see the numerator is not a whole number. Or take an example where I have the numerator as a whole number but the denominator is say 3 by 2, is not a whole number. Or take an example where both are not whole numbers. It may be 1.5 divided by 5 by 4. So both the numerator and the denominator are not whole numbers. Instead, those are again some fractions, right? So how do we read this kind of complex fraction? We read them as 1.5 divided by 5 by 4, this way. So but complex numbers can always be simplified. So let me show one example of simplification of this complex number. Suppose we have a complex number. Okay, let me take these numbers itself. The one I have showed you. The first one is 2 by 3 divided by 5. So while simplifying, I write the numerator 2 by 3 first and then I put this divided by division sign and 5. Next, division by fractions are inverse of multiplication. So I have 2 by 3 multiplied by, I take the inverse or reciprocal of 5, that means 1 by 5. From here, by seeing the numbers itself, I can say none of the terms are divisible by their common factors. So in the numerator I have 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2. In the denominator I have 3 5s are 15. So this is my simplification of this complex fraction. Moving to the second one, I have shown you 7 divided by 3 by 2, right? So I will write it as 7 divided by 3 by 2. Similar way as the earlier one, I have 7 here. I take the multiplied sign and take the reciprocal of 3 by 2, which is 2 by 3. Now 7, you know that in the denominator I have 1 and 7 is actually in the numerator. So 7 into 2, 7 2s are 14 and in the denominator 1 into 3, so 1 3s are 3. So 14 by 3 is the simplified form of this complex fraction. The third one which I have taken is what? 1.5 divided by 5 by 4. 1.5 divided by 5 by 4. So I'll write 1.5 divided by 5 by 4. First I'll change this mixed number into an improper fraction. That is 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 4. But then I'll take the multiplication sign, 3 by 2 multiplied by, I take the reciprocal, that means 4 by 5. Now see that these 2 and these 2 in the denominator and 4 in the numerator, they can be cancelled by their common factor. That means 2 ones are 2 and here 2 twos are 4. So what I'm left with in the numerator, 3 into 2, so 3 twos are 6, and in the denominator 1 into 5, 1 fives are 5. So 6 by 5 is my simplified form of this complex fraction.